What are you doing? Hmm? What are you doing? Kayleigh. You put your block on the table? You put your green block on the table? Why don't you stand up and get it? Uh-oh. Go get it. Can you go get it? Hmm? Hey. Kayleigh. Come here. Come here. Here, come get this. Here. Come get it. Yeah, you come get it. Come on. Very good. Very good. Good job. Kayleigh, can you say hi to Daddy? Can you say Dada? Can you say Mama? Can you say hi to Aunt Deborah? Hi to Aunt Tasha? Huh? Can you say hi to Grandma? Can you say Mama? Can you say Dada? Can you say Grandma? Can you say Aunt Deborah? Aunt Deborah? You know who that is, don't you? Can you say Aunt Tasha? Can you say Uncle Kelvin? Can you say Grandpa? Grandma? Okay, let me have that, please. Let Mommy have it, please. Can you put it in Mommy's hand? Here, let me. I can't reach it. Can you give it to me? Huh? Come on. Can I have that, please? Hmm? Uh. Nope, nope, nope. Thank you. Ah. Ah. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. Mm-hmm. Can you show how you can dance? Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hmm? Come on. Okay. You want to stay down there? Come back in here. Come back in here. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, say bye-bye. Okay.